Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Guidance. What are the blessings for you? So first you can choose from 3 piles, okay? The first one is this is rose quartz wand, and the second is this rose quartz angel. It's very beautiful. And the third one is clear quartz wand, okay? So pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, you can choose from any one. Just meditate for a minute and choose your cards. Welcome everyone who chose first pile, that is rose quartz wand. So let's check what are the blessings for you. So first we have Knight of Cups, next Two of Cups, and this is the card for stunned, okay? Ace of Pentacles and King of Wands, woman holding a heart, appreciation, patience, and door to personal healing and happiness. Okay, so there's a lot of cups energy. There are 2 cards for cups, so I am assuming that it might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so here the first card is Knight of Cups. It shows the movement in terms of emotions. So after that there's Two of Cups, which is some kind of partnership or new relation. So I assume there might be someone who's about to approach within a month or 2, and you're gonna have a new relationship or a new partnership. Alright. Plus there's this Ace of Pentacles, which shows prosperity. It is like new opportunities in case of money. So you're gonna have a lot of money in next 1-2 months. And also we have King of Wands. So King of Wands is basically a mature person who's going to help you with your career. Okay, there would be a career advice for you. So this career advice is seeking on this Ace of Pentacles. See, this one is looking at that card. So I assume the advice from any of your elder one will help you get prosperity, will help you get new opportunity in terms of money, right? And also you will be stunned. The cards are saying you will be stunned by a lot of good energy, free flowing energy. And when we check the oracle cards, the first card we have woman holding a heart. It is showing new relationship, love, and partnerships. So these are already indicating these 2 cards. So woman holding a heart and appreciation. This card is basically like you will be having so much of good things happening in your life that you'll be like, oh, I have so many things to be grateful for. This card is for that, okay? And yes, the angels ask you to be patient. Don't hurry, don't be desperate over anything. Have some patience. Whatever is in your fate, it will seek out to you, okay? So have patience. And then we have door to personal healing and happiness. So basically it is combined with patience card. So be patient. Whatever is in your fate, it will automatically seek to you, and you'll be having happiness. So these cards are really good. Pile 1, you have a really amazing future. So be patient and have gratitude towards all of this. New relationship or partnership is coming. Prosperity is coming your way. A career advice would be on its way. Love and appreciation would be on its way. Have patience. You'll have healing and happiness, and you'll be stunned by your fate. Thank you all. Welcome everyone who chose pile 2, that is Angel of Rose Quartz. So let's check what are the blessings for you. First we have Knight of Wands, then 5 of Swords, 4 of Cups, and Judgment card. Okay, right now I am not seeing much of blessings. It's more like there's some sort of issues going on in terms of career or work. And decision card is there. You have to make a hard decision for yourself. Then Healer of the Ages, Temple Path, Walking Away, and 6th chakra Archangel Metatron. Okay, so as I'm assuming there's a downfall in terms of career or work for a short period of time, not for a long period, but for a short period of time. There's some downfall going on. Maybe you're not liking your work, or maybe there's not much of money you are getting from your work, like that. And also these are testing times for you. This downfall in your career, it's a testing time for you. You have to make a hard decision for yourself, and it's testing you, it's testing your potential. Okay. And also you're seeking stability. See here, the person who's looking on these 3 cups, not thinking about the 4th cup he have. You're looking for stability, but you're missing on options. You don't, your say mental peace is gone, your mental stability is gone, so you're unable to understand what's going on. Okay. Plus, don't worry, there'll be a judgment. The judgment will be passed, and you'll get through all this, all the bad things happening. You'll get through this, and you will be happy after this judgment. A short period of time will be a downfall for you, but after that you'll be happy. So what are the oracle cards saying? It's saying healer of the ages. So it is basically card of seeking mental peace and harmony. So it is saying whatever is going through, whatever is going in your mind, whatever you are going through, write it down, and it's like leave it on God, like that. Okay, so you have to leave it on God and be a little spiritual. Do some yoga or meditation or whatever. Go on the temple path, go on the spiritual path. Okay, doesn't mean you have to go to temple. It means that you have to go on a spiritual path. You have to it is like whatever you seek is within you. That's this. Okay. And also it's a walking away card, meaning you have to move. It's basically like the things that are not serving you right now, leave it. Okay. And also in the 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron, it is also the card of inner peace, intuitions, inner peace, like that. So it is also saying you to seek stability inside you, do some meditation, or maybe you could try wearing blue colors or surrounded by blue colors. Okay. So what are the cards overall saying? There's a downfall in career, and this is your testing time, start for some days, and you'll be confused. You will seeking mental stability, but a judgment will be passed in a couple of days. In a period of days, everything would be okay. Then seek within you. You are the healer for yourself. Meditate and walk away from the things that are not serving you, and wear some blue clothes, or surround yourself with good thoughts, positive thoughts, and look within you, look into your intuition. Let your intuition work for it from these hard times. Okay. Everyone who chose pile 3, that is for clear quartz. So let's see what are the blessings for you. Okay, first we have 4 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Hierophant, and then we have 7 of Pentacles. We have Queen of Cups and the Hierophant. It might indicate a marriage. Some of you who choose pile 3 might get married soon. Okay, then we have Love card. Love is on its way. So we have Yin Yang card, Community, First Chakra, Archangel Michael, the Garden and the Gate. So here we see we have community, stability here, happiness here, and then these 2 cards, it is indicating marriage. See, these 3 cards are indicating marriage for sure, or they're going to be a party or engagement, something like that. So going with the first card, well, I see there are 2 coins. Yes, there are 2 coins. It might indicate Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So the first card is for 4 of Pentacles. It is like seeking stability in terms of money, in terms of possessions, right? You were possessive about your money, but now you have this stability in that area of life. So whatever you were worried about, whatever you were possessive about earlier, it is figuring out for you now, and this money is coming your way. And then we have Queen of Cups. It is you are being shy about your emotions, so you have to speak up whatever you are feeling within. Speak it up to your partner, and you'll get whatever you want. And then we have Hierophant also. If we see these cards are combined, then it is indicating some sort of partnership or marriage like that. But well, if we not see in terms of marriage, then it is showing that you are feeling shy about your emotions right now, and you will gain some knowledge. There would be a spiritual or traditional guidance for you coming your way. Okay, and then we have this Seven of Pentacles, right? So it is mostly like you are looking back to what you have done. Whatever work you have done, you're looking back to it, and you're realizing that you have done a lot of work, but you have a lot of work to do, right? It's like you have achieved a lot, but you have to put in your hard work for more. Like we say, right, the success is not the destination, it is part of journey. So this is your journey, you have to go on, you have to put in your hard work, and don't be frustrated. Be relaxed. Whatever you want to achieve, you'll surely get it. Going forward to the oracle cards, first we have Yin Yang. It can be indicated like whatever goes around comes around. We take it in a very ways, but right now the upward portion is Yin. So it is like you have to get open to your intuitions. Your intuitions will help you with anything. Then we have Community card. It might indicate a party or something, or a gathering where you're gonna meet some of your old friends, or you're gonna make some new friends. So you'll be within a community with like-minded people. Okay, then we have first chakra Archangel Michael. This card is for stability. So you are going to have stability in your life for a couple of months, so don't worry. Whatever you want to go, whatever option is in your mind, go for it. You'll get stability. And then we have the Garden and the Gate. This card is mostly like abundance, prosperity. There's be a lot of abundance in terms of money, in terms of health, in terms of wealth and health both, right? And it is like you'll be safe. Don't worry, the journey ahead of you is safe. So have faith in yourself, go with your intuition, and you'll seek stability. Meet new friends. Don't worry about being safe. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like this reading.